Now that is equal to 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus e raised to sine 2 pi minus x dx. So here sine 2 pi minus x. So sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is what. Otherwise, directly we can go. So minus sin x. So that is equal to 0 to 2 pi dx upon 1 plus e raised to minus sin x. So that is equal to 0 to 2 pi dx upon 1 plus 1 upon e raised to sin x. Correct? So that is 0 to 2 pi, the dx, and here e raised to sin x plus 1 upon e raised to sin x. So now this is equal to 0 to 2 pi. The denominator will go to the what? Numerator. So e raised to sin x upon 1 plus e raised to sin x. Keep it as 2. So this is again I. Now 1 plus 2 implies that 2I is equal to 1 is a what? 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus e raised to sin x dx. Here again after applying the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to f of a minus s. We got this one. So there is no change in the value of the integrand. So 1 plus to left hand side I plus I 2I. And here 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus e raised to sin x plus e raised to sin x upon 1 plus e raised to sin x dx. So that is equal to 0 to 2 pi 1 plus e raised to sin x upon 1 plus e raised to sin x dx. Got it? Now it is very simple. This is equal to 0 to 2 pi dx. What is that? X. And here limit 0 to 2 pi. Correct? So now apply the limit 2 pi minus 0. That is equal to 2 pi. So what about the I? The I is equal to pi. Got it? Okay? Yes. Very good. Many of you given the answer. Now we go to the next question. One interesting and easy also. Many times it has been asked. You might have been familiar with that question. Anyhow, I want to revise it here. Limit integrand pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 3. 1 by root of, 1 plus root of tan x. 1 plus root of tan x here dx. Okay? Yes. Now let us come here. I. Yes, okay. What is I? 0 to pi by integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 the dx upon 1 plus root of tan x. So now this is pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root of sin x upon root of cos x. Correct? So now that is pi by 6 to pi by 3 integrand pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx upon root of cos x plus root of sin x the whole upon root of cos x. Correct? So that is what 0 to integration 0 to pi by 2 to pi by 6 to pi by 3 root of cos x dx the whole upon root of cos x plus root of sin x. Got it? Yes. Now keep this one as a what? 1. This one as 1. So the I is equal to this is keep it as 1. Now one thing we study the property. Again, come to the property. If you recall all the properties, easy for us to solve. So here a to b f of x dx that is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Correct? That property we have to apply. So now that is equal to yes 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of cos 5 by 3 plus 5. One step I will write here. 5 by a plus b. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 6 minus x. The whole upon, you see, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to what? This is 30 degree and that one is about 60 degree. That is 90 degree. So 5 by 2 radian. So that is cos 5 by 2 minus x plus root of sine of 5 by 2 minus x. So that is equal to 5 by 6, 5 by 3, the cos 90 minus x, that is the what? Sine of x, and here root of sine x and plus root of cos x dx. So keep it as this is 2. Okay. So this one is I and 1 plus 2. That implies the 2I is equal to 0 to 5 by, sorry, the 0, it is always coming in my mouth. So lower limit 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Root of, this one is root of cos x dx upon root of cos x plus root of sin x, and here root of sin x upon root of cos sin x plus root of cos x. So here dx upon root of sin x plus root of cos x. So plus here this one root of sin x, the whole upon root of sin x plus root of cos x, and here dx. Correct? So that is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Yes, root of sin x plus root of cos x, the whole upon root of sin x plus root of cos x. So this is equal to cancel dx. Correct? Now yes. So that is equal to, yeah, here this side 2i, a pi by, yes, apply the limit. So integrate dx, that is x, and here pi by 6 to pi by 3. So upper limit pi by 3 minus lower limit, that is equal to 6. Here 60 minus 30, that is pi by 6 only. So yours is the what? I. So I is pi by 12. Pi by 12. Got it? Pi by 12. Many of you done or not? Yes. Got the point? Go through it. Yes, very interesting question. One question. Next one. This you got, all of you? Divyanshi Jain. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, Yes, one interesting question. Yes, integration limit 0 to pi by 4, pi by 4. Yes, integration, the I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 root of 1 minus sine 2x. 1 minus sine 2x. Okay. So very simple it is. The case 0 to pi by 4. The 1 can be written as a what? Sine squared x plus cos squared x. And this is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, that is 2 sin x cos x, correct? 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos of x under the root. And here dx. Here, this is in the form of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Yes, one is our sine minus cos x the whole square. Other one is cos x minus sine x the whole square. Correct? Here which one we can take? Now, this is the sine x minus cos x the whole square. Correct? Under the root. Yes, children, listen carefully. So that is sin x minus cos of x. Okay. So now let us think about the word graph of the value of that one. Sine. Here what ours is limit is 0 to pi by 4. So here is the word 0. Yeah, let us take the word pi by 2 here. And here 1. And this is 0. Yes. First you can take the cos x. Graph of the cos x. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi by 2, 0. Okay. Yours is the word pi by 4 is here. So 1 by cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2 this place. 1 by root 2 is here. This is the word graph of the y is equal to cos of x. Y is equal to cos of x. Now sin x. Sin 0 is 0. And sin pi by 2, 1. Okay. Now the graph is going on like that. So this one is y is equal to sin x. So here cos of x is greater than sin of x for all x. Every x belongs to the word 0 to pi by 4. 0 to open interval I have taken. 0 to pi by 4. If you want, you can take this also. Here closed interval. And there open, there equal will come. So, which one can be taken? If you want, we can take the what? Positive value, okay? Cos x minus, so here this is equal to 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x dx. Correct? So, cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x. So this is that reason I given to you. You may have the doubt. So sin x minus cos x also can be taken, but value will be different. So here we have to take cos x minus sin x. Very good. So now integrate it. Cos sin x and minus sin x means plus cos x. Correct? So limit 0 to pi by 4. So that is equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 minus of sin 0 0 and plus 1. So this is equal to, this is visible to you? Yes, I'll go that side. So that is equal to here 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. That is 2 by root 2 minus 1. So that is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Very good. Many of you given the answer. Very nice. Yes. Correct? Yes. Shall we go next? Varsha Boshwalia.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, you followed it. Very good. So next one. Yes. Please explain. What modulus question? Sometimes it may be asked. Yes. Integration minus 1, 2, 3 by 2. Minus 1, 2, 3 by 2. Modulus of x sine pi x. Modulus of x sine pi x dx. Yes, before going this one, let us see. The f of x is modulus of x. That you have seen minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, less than or equal to 0 also okay. There is no change, no nothing. And when here x, if x is greater than or equal to 0. Correct? So now let us come. Here, first you have to draw that quadrant. For understanding, directly you can go, if anyone knows means we can go directly, no problem. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Here it is 0 to pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. Now first let us see this. Only sine pi by x. You take only sine pi by x. So when x is equal to 0, here versus the what? Minus 1 to 0. We can separate it. Yeah, we can take the what? Negative value. Minus 1 to 0. So here sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. All of you know. Here many things we have to recall it, you see. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Aapka, when this one is a what? Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. Yeah, less than 0. Okay. What about the sine pi x? Sine pi x is minus of sine pi x. Correct? Visible to you? Sine pi x is minus sine pi x. Got it? Then here what the x, here what the function is product of two function. One is a what? F of x, another one is a what? G of x. F of x is x and G of x is sine of pi of x. So product of two. So in this interval minus 1 to 0, that is the what? Minus, minus, plus. Correct? So here the integrand I minus 1 to 0, that is x sine pi x positive. This is positive. Right? Yes. Now let us come the other one, other part. So here 0 to 1, 0 to 1 here. When you apply here, first we forget this one. Sine pi x. So 0 means here what? 0 to pi by 2. 1 means here what? Pi. First and the second quadrant. First and the second quadrant. The sign is in the first and the second quadrant. First and second quadrant, all sine, you see, all sine, tan, cos. All sine, tan, cos. Yes, this quadrant will remove it. All sine, tan, cos. So all positive. Okay, sine is positive. So and x is also 0 to 1. That is what, that is also positive. Plus 0 to 1 x sine pi x dx. 0 to pi, 0 to 1 x sine pi x. Now let us count. 1 to 3 by 2. 1 is positive, 3 by 2 also positive here, but sine. When? Here what? Sine of pi and sine of 2 and sine 3 pi by 2. That is under the third quadrant. That is under the third quadrant. Third quadrant what? The sign is negative. Sign is negative. Sin pi x is negative in the what? Third quadrant. So x is positive. So positive into negative, that is what? Negative. So plus 1 to 3 by 2 minus of x sine pi x. Then only that value will be positive. Okay? Got it all of you? Listen, one more time explain. This is the only important, but remaining other thing will be very easy for us. देखिए, so first, the f of x is modulus of x is the function, modulus function. So the value of the function modulus function is minus x if x is less than 0, x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So for example, the modulus of minus 7 is 7. Modulus of 7 is also 7. ये कहाँ से मिल गया? That is minus of minus 7. Minus of minus 7, that's what plus 7. And this normal positive automatically positive. So here when I take minus 1 to 0, I divided this one. First part minus 1 to 0. So sin pi x, that is negative. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. So for example, minus 1 by 2 you put here, sine of minus 1 by 2x, that is minus pi by 2x. So here minus sine theta, and this value is also minus. That's what I put here, minus integration minus 1 to 0 x sine pi x dx. Got? Okay, that part is clear. Correct? Siddesh Sharma, first part clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Now, next come to the word. Second part is the word 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is here. 0 to 1, that is the word. Sin pi x is sin 0 to sin pi. So here the angle is 0 to pi. So first quadrant as well as the word second quadrant. So first and the second quadrant, that is positive, correct? That is positive, and x is also positive. So here another in the interval 0 to 1, positive x sine pi x dx, positive x sine pi x, x sine pi x dx. Now come to the word third part, 1 to 3 by 2. 1 to 3 by 2. The sine pi x is the word sine pi to sine 3 pi by 2. We already studied in our 11th standard. The third quadrant, the sign is negative. Only tan is positive. Got? So that fellow is negative. Sine pi x is negative, and the x is positive. So this whole, the x into sine pi x is negative in the third quadrant here. Yeah, the limit, the x is 1 to 3 by 2. Okay? So that is negative. So already this one x is positive, but we want positive value. So we want positive value, we put minus. So minus of x sine pi x, minus is there, then apply this value, that becomes the what? Negative, minus, minus, plus. So now this is equal to minus 1 to 1, we can take. minus 1 to 1. This all both are positive. You can combine it. X sine pi x dx plus 1 to, sorry, minus I can take out. Minus 1 to 3 by 2 x sine pi x dx. Oh yeah. So this is the thing. Now we can apply the by parts method. Simply you can take this I is equal to x sine pi x dx. Okay. So you can take u dv form. U is equal to x and dv is equal to sine pi x dx. So du, that is dx, and the v is minus cos pi x integration upon pi. So now x sine pi x dx. Okay. So that is what uv minus p du. So u into v x cos pi x upon pi. Okay. And minus minus plus. What is the v? Cos pi x upon pi. Du is dx. So this is equal to minus x cos pi x upon pi, and integration of cos is sine pi x upon pi squared. Okay? Yes. Now, so use this I is equal to, what is your I? Minus 1, 2, 3 by 2 modulus of x sine pi x dx. That is equal to, okay. So, separated with minus 1 to 1. Okay, we differentiated minus x cos pi x upon pi plus sine pi x upon pi square. The limit is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. And next is the what? Minus of minus x cos pi x upon pi plus plus sine pi x by pi square. The limit 1 to 3 by 2. 1 to 3 by 2. Okay, now we can apply the okay. Now upper limit minus 1 by pi, that is minus 1 by pi cos pi plus sine pi upon pi square, and minus of lower limit here are this minus plus 1 by pi cos of minus pi. Cos minus theta is cos theta. That you can write in the second step. And inside plus sine of minus pi upon pi squared. Close the bracket. And minus of, open the bracket. I can put it closed bracket. Yes. Upper limit x is here minus x, minus 3 by 2 cos 3 by 2 pi upon pi. Okay, and plus sine 3 pi by 2 upon pi square open bracket, and minus of minus cos pi upon pi plus sin pi upon pi squared. Close it. Yes, this is, yes, cos pi minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 by pi, and sin pi 0. Minus of here cos minus theta is cos theta. So minus 1 by pi. Cos pi minus 1. So minus minus plus. Got it? Cos of minus pi is cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. So here minus minus plus, and sin minus pi, that is 0. I open the bracket there, minus minus plus, and now close it. Minus of close bracket. This is 3 pi 2 pi, that is 0, and sin 3 pi by 2 minus just continue. Okay. Yes, here 0. Yes, sine 3 pi by 2. That is pi plus pi by 2. That is minus 1. Minus 1 upon pi squared. Then here minus cos pi minus 1. Okay, this you can close it. And here cos pi is minus 1. Minus minus plus. Plus 1 upon pi. And here sin pi 0 plus 0 close. So this is equal to 2 upon pi and plus 1 by pi squared, and minus minus there plus 1 upon pi, that is 3 by pi plus 1 by pi squared. Three by pi plus 1 by pi squared. Okay. Varsha, I is 2 by pi. That is only one part. So if you want, we can simplify it. That is pi squared can be taken as LCM. Here is a what? 3 pi plus 1. 3 pi plus 1 upon pi squared. Okay, very good. Any doubt? Only 19, two left. Okay. Yes. That question is very interesting question. Once it has been asked for the what 4 marks. Sometimes it may ask for 6 also. Yes. Yes, shall we go to next question? If anyone want to write it, please write. Mallika is present. Divyan, Chaudhary, very good. Varsha, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Okay. The next question. Thank you. Okay. और दो क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Yes. Integration x dx upon 1 plus x tan x. X tan x. So this is what integration x dx by 1 plus x sin x upon cos x. Correct? Okay. Now this is the LCM here, integration a cos x plus x sin x and the cos x dx. Okay, na? So x cos x dx upon cos x plus x sin x. Now put the cos x, cos of x plus x sin x is equal to z. Okay? Why we have taken? Well, differentiation you can very simple one. So differentiate both the sides, differentiate with respect to x. So a minus sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and plus first function into differentiation of second function. What is that second function? Sin x. So differentiate sin x is cos x plus sin x. Product rule. The differentiation of x sin x is x cos x plus sin x. And here the whole dx is equal to dz. Now open the bracket, minus sin x plus sin x cancel. That is x cos of x dx is dz. So now yours I becomes, the I is equal to integration of dz upon z. That is what? Log of z. So log of modulus of cos x plus x sin x plus c. Okay? Yes, log of cos x plus x sin x plus c. Very good. Sharma. Yes. Now another one. The integration 0 to pi sin x to the power 2m plus cos of cos x to the power 2n plus 1 x dx. Here m comma n belongs to capital N. Capital N means set of all natural number. So okay, there you can try to apply the properties. Correct? Yes, now this is I, let us take I 0 to pi sin pi minus x and here this one 2m to the power 2m and cos of pi minus x, a property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx, a minus x dx. That is what 2n plus 1 dx. Okay. What is this sin? Sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x, sin a cos b, sin a cos b minus cos A sin B. Yes, sin x. So that is 0 to pi sin x to the power m. Right? So here it is sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Correct. And cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x. Nisha Kumari.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Cos 180 minus theta. Don't worry. So apply cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A here you see the cos pi cos of x minus plus sin by sin of, we were not having in memory. Cos pi is minus 1. Already I taught to you. Cos n pi is minus 1 whole to the power n belongs to z. And sin n pi is equal to 0, n belongs to z. Okay? So,
Minus cos.
then minus, yes, very good. Minus
Cos x.
cos x, very good. So here minus of cos x the whole to the power 2m plus 1. You see this is odd. Sorry, even. 2m, that means what, even. Otherwise also what happened, it is positive only. Sin pi minus x is positive, whole to the power 2m, that is positive only. Now yours is the what, the cos is the what, minus cos x, and moreover it is a what, odd. The power is odd. I told already. Minus whole to the power 3, that is a what, minus. Minus 1 whole to the power 5, minus, odd number. Minus 1 whole to the power 4, that is positive. But here what? Minus 1 whole to the power odd number. So क्या होगा? That is here minus 1 whole to the power 7. That is minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. That is a what? Minus 1 only. Minus 1 only. So this is equal to 0 to pi minus sin x to the power 2m and cos x to the power 2m plus 1. Odd power is about an odd number, so minus that I have taken here, and this is even. Otherwise also sin pi minus x is sin x only. So now that is equal to minus of 0 to pi sin of x whole to the power 2m and cos x to the power 2m plus 1 dx. This keep it as I, and this is also I, this is 1, and this one is 2. So add 1 plus 2, that is the 2i is equal to, see, one is the what, one I is the what, positive, another I is the what, negative. So the 2i is equal to 0. That implies the value of integrand is also 0. Got it? Yes. Prakya Amrawat? Yes, 0. I is equal to 0. Okay. Yes, na? Okay. Thank you, children. The next class you can take about one interesting question is also any have done it. Okay. 54. Teacher is waiting. Okay. So now with the help of the definite integral, we have to find out the what? Area. Area found by the curve with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, that we will see in the next class. Teacher will start. I will continue. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.